Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the drive motor in your front load washer, be sure to unplug the power cord and shut off the water supply. Remove the hot and cold water supply lines from the inlet valve ports. Be prepared for some water to spill. Have an assistant help you to move the appliance away from the wall. Using a Phillips-head screwdriver or a No. 2 square drive bit, unthread the rear screws securing the top panel. Remove the panel. Next, use a T20 Torx bit to unthread all of the screws, securing the rear panel. You will need to use a Phillips-head screwdriver to unthread the screw, securing the panel to the motor control board housing. Using the Phillips-head screwdriver or a No. 2 square drive bit, unthread the screw to release the power cord grounding wire. Depress the tab to disconnect the power cord wire connector. Next, unthread the screws securing the vibration damper. Set the damper aside. Unthread the screws securing the drain hose mounting flange. Remove the flange. Slide the retaining disc off of the drain hose, and you can fully remove the rear panel. Note the position of the tub belt on the motor pulley, then rotate the tub pulley to help remove the belt. Note the orientation of the drive motor wires, then disconnect them. This may require some effort. Use a 5/16" socket or nut driver to unthread the 4 mounting screws, securing the motor. Push the old motor back to release. Use pliers to help detach the wire retainer. Install the new drive motor by positioning it on the outer tub. Then thread and tighten the 4 mounting screws. Snap the wire retainer into place and connect the wires. With the groove side facing inward, align the belt on the motor pulley, then loop it onto the tub pulley. Rotate the pulley to help align the belt. Reinstall the rear panel by first feeding the drain hose through the hole in the panel. Position the panel on the frame. Then thread the screws to secure. Connect the power cord wire connector and secure the grounding wire to the panel with the screw. Realign the drain hose flange and thread the screw to secure. Slide the retaining disc onto the end of the hose. Reinstall the vibration damper. Realign the top panel and secure it with the screws at the rear. Move the appliance back against the wall. Attach the hot and cold water supply lines to the inlet valve ports. Turn the water supply back on. Plug the power cord back in, and your front-load washer should be ready for use.